Ah, hi there. Autumn is really here in northern Germany. So, well, you see, I don't know if this video is quite understandable in the end. Well, there's storm. The storm arrived tonight, and there's rain. Well, a lot of rain. Yeah. So, this is unusual because normally we do our videos in good weather. So, but that's not what the reality is, at least not here in northern Germany in autumn. So I thought, gonna show you what it really looks like. Well, autumn can get nasty here in northern Germany, where you see that. Rain and storm in November. That's not unusual, that's common. Well, so when the weather gets ugly, you need some harder stuff normally. So, and after my last experience with Samuel Gavitt, I thought, well, I'll show you something else, some alternative. And there is an alternative. I'm smoking it right now. So, what is it? I have it here. It is the Bold Kentucky. I hope the camera gets this done. It's done by Baren. It's an HH Baren Bold Kentucky. So they say, I have to translate that, it's in German. Well, that is the strongest tobacco they ever did. And it's only for very experienced pipe smokers. It's an exclusive blend of fine fire-dried Kentucky. And it's US American and African tobaccos, and they give a bit Cavendish to it, just to make the taste a little bit sweeter. So that's what they say. And I show you the tobacco. Well, rain gets ugly, I tell you. I hope you can see anything. I have to clean up the camera, I think. Well, let me do that first. Well, so, hope that is better. So now, the tobacco, where do I have it? Ah. Well, it's quite dark, and you can see the Virginia parts, the brighter parts. Well, and it is really strong. So they made a promise to do it strong, and they kept that promise. It is really strong. For me, as a quite experienced pipe smoker, I think, so I'm used to nicotine, but in the end of the bowl, last third of the bowl, you have to be careful with that, so otherwise you get dizzy. It's very strong, but it's absolutely brilliant. It's not bitey, it is sweet, has a huge amount of sweetness, and it's delicious. It's tasteful, it's delicious. You can smell when you open the tin the Kentucky and the Kentucky notes, the strongness of the tobacco, and yeah, it's really delicious. So when you light it up, you're not gonna think that it's so strong because it's so sweet. Huge amount of sweetness. Well, it's like a heavy wine with a lot of sweetness and also a lot of alcohol, and that's the same here, with a lot of nicotine. So it is fine stuff, and it's the right stuff for this kind of weather, I think. So you can give it a try. So humidity is absolutely alright. So since I like the Kentuckys, they burn quite well, I think. So this is a good burner, and it is €10.75 here in Germany. Well, that's a fair price, I think. So it is worth that. Wow. Wow. Well, that's the weather we're gonna expect in the... We have to count with this weather, I think, the next weeks, perhaps. Perhaps until snow. But I can't complain. We had really nice sunny days in the last weeks. Well, I think that's over now, so the golden fall is over, and we are left with nasty weather. So, but anyway, that's the way it goes. Yeah, very near. I did the video with Annika about Lord of the Rings tobacco. If you watch that, you see the difference of late summer and really autumn here. Yeah, but that's the way it is. So anyway, I hope you have better weather. Better weather. Or if not, you have at least a good smoke. And I hope you are well. I think I'm gonna go inside and do my work now. So it's better to be than being here outside. So take care and be well.